Hello everyone, this is Chris Morris, and today we'll be continuing on with our advanced training, and we'll get into lesson 3, which is creating a manual count button. You can place a manual count button on a BSC, a touch input, or PSM. Basically, we'll go over what the purpose of our manual count is. Then, in order to create this, we have to make a virtual input, and then we need to create a count, but we have to add it under a process, and then we'll go over what those settings are for that count. Purpose of a manual count is basically allow an operator an option to press a button on a BSC, touch input, or PSM to capture a count. It's generally used when you can't get an input from a sensor off of a machine to provide you with a wired count, or if you use a BSC by itself, it doesn't have those input capabilities, so you would have to have a manual count button. I'll show you kind of what that looks like here on this virtual device here. So basically we would start production, and once we started production we would have this count button on the screen, and then basically if we press it, basically gives us a count, right? So just each time they complete a piece they would hit the manual count button and they get a new count. Go ahead and end this. Alright, so what we can do is get into VT3000 and select a PSM, a touch input, or BSC. I'm just going to select the PSM. And first thing we got to do is go into our virtual inputs. Basically, we want to put a virtual count input on the module. So select virtual inputs, hit the add button, we'll just call it a count, and then for the description, and then the type is count, because we want a count button, right? And we want to have it enabled. So what you'll need to do now is save and exit for this module so that it can set up that input, and then you can go back in and edit, and from here we're going to select monitoring points, and as I said, you have to have a process for it. On a PSM and a TIM, you don't have to have the process for a BSC. So let's call this production. So now we have our production here, and we're going to select it, and we're going to hit sampler. So the count is called a sampler because it samples the count. So we're going to give it a name, and the mode is it's linked because we want to link it to that virtual input. The type is it's a count. The trigger. So how often do we want to update the database? So this is saying periodic, and down here you enter how many seconds. So what you're saying is I only want to update the database with the count every minute. So this works really good if you have counts that are going really fast, like every 10-15 seconds or something. Then you would want to use this, so it's not inundating the system with updating on counts every like 15 seconds. Then the other option is as occurs. So as soon as you get a count, it updates the database. Whichever one you want to select here. When you're doing periodic, you basically don't want to send zeros on that periodic update. If they haven't gotten a count, don't send them zeros. That'll just keep the database down so it's not so large. I would say always select that. As occurs, obviously you don't have that option because you're not going to record anything until there's actually a count. So after that, depending on whichever one you select, the next thing is the input. So we're basically going to select this virtual input that we created. And as you can see, it's listed right here as count. So now we've got this count or the sampler linked to that virtual input. You can give the button a color, say yellow. And so now we can click production. So we know that when we start production, we're going to get a count button, which is exactly the same as what I showed you here in this virtual device. Here's the count. Gets updated. Once you have this set up, just basically save and exit. Now you've got your manual count button added to your PSM, touch input, PSC. I'll do it for this lesson today. This will go to our summary here. So went over the purpose of a manual account. We showed you how to add a virtual input to link to that count. Then we went over account, how to add a count to a process, and then how you basically set up those parameters for that count. A practical app, same thing again. Come up with an idea for a module that needs a manual count, and then add that virtual input, create a count underneath the process, and check it out and see if it's working like it's supposed to. We have additional information, the overview VT3000 wiki page. There's a page on virtual inputs, there's a page on samplers, and then there's a guide on how to add a virtual account. Thank you very much for your time today, and hope you have a good day.